Hi, for those new to my channel, I'm Siamshur Noor, a rising senior in Bangladeshi studying applied math at Harvard, and this is a series about how to get into top universities. So once I got into Harvard in 2017 from Bangladesh, I started getting a lot of messages on how to get into top universities, and I realized it is impossible for me to reply to hundreds of messages that I get every month, and it is not sustainable in the long run, and the resources are not permanent, and thus I decided to make this playlist. The playlist contains 3 types of videos. Number 1, general. Number 2, videos on successful undergrad applicants, and number 2, videos on successful postgrad applicants. The general videos contain videos on topics such as financial aid, my SAT journey, writing essays, etc. The videos on successful undergrad applicants is where I interview amazing applicants who got into top universities from across the world such as Australia, Japan, UK, USA, and try to understand what their profiles look like, get their advice and perspectives on how to get into those top universities. Number 3, I also get a lot of questions on how to get into top universities for master's or PhD. So I'm not the right person to be answering those questions, and that's why I also interview amazing successful applicants who got into top universities across the world for master's or PhD, whether it may be through a full funded scholarship, a partial scholarship, or just got in. So if you're a candidate looking to get into a master's or a PhD program abroad, this playlist is also for you. I must mention that this playlist is a constant work in progress, so at any point of seeing a video, if you feel like you want to get a video on a certain topic or you want to see an applicant from a university that you want to get into, please let me know in the comment section below. Usually on each video I mention a lot of resources, or the interview mentions a lot of important resources that they use to get into their top university or top scholarship. Those resources are usually hyperlinked in the descriptions, so on each video also make sure to check the descriptions. On this playlist, I will also make collaboration videos where I will collaborate with individuals or organizations who are trying to make higher education accessible for everyone. Every time there will be a collaboration video, I will mention all the resources and the collaboration in the video description, so keep an eye out for them as well. The collaborations right now that I have in mind is one with Virtual Vine, which is an organization that is planning to make the transition to college easier for first generation and low income students, so keep an eye out for their videos on my channel. At the same time, I have a lot of friends studying in amazing universities such as Stanford and Oxford who are running for-profit organizations that want to help students get into their dream universities by providing counseling or providing test prep. I will also plug those videos on my channel as well as a resource for every student who are applying to these universities abroad. One such amazing initiative is Titans Education, so make sure to keep an eye out for their resources in the video descriptions as well. And finally, if you want to get notified immediately the moment I release a video on top university admissions, don't forget to subscribe to this channel right now. Thank you once again for coming to my channel on this playlist on how to get into top universities, and I hope this playlist will be something that is very useful for you.